Howdy, this is Andrew Wilcox, and I want to talk to you about the here link, which you will see over each post. And yes, howdy is a greeting we use here in Texas that I'm quite fond of. The here link over each post is for copy and paste purposes only. And it is provided so that when you need to create a link back to a particular post to make your response clear, that you can easily get that link. Okay, but I'm going to click on it here, and I'm going to show you that it's just going to take me exactly to where I already am. See, I just came right back. Let me scroll up here. I just came right back to the exact post, so there's really no need to ever click on that. But when you want to create a link, it's very useful. Now, and I happen to be on the help page here for the here tag, and if you click on this little help, it's going to take you to this help page. Isn't that convenient? I'm so nice. I'm so helpful. I'm so user-friendly. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a mock post. So what I usually do is I right click. I'm using the Safari browser. I tend to find that Safari works best when I'm using Meaningful Dialog. I actually happen to be a Firefox fan. I use Firefox all the time for everything else. When I go to Meaningful Dialog, I switch to Safari, and I have a different video on why that's true, which I'll explain later. So what I do is, and I'm going to do that again, I come up here and I right click, and it brings up the little options there, and I just do copy link. Well, now I've got the link to that post on my clipboard, and when I post, if you quote, it's going to open up a new window and include the quotations. If you do a reply, it's going to open up a new window without the quotations, and if you do a post, it's going to stay in the same window with no quotations. So I'm going to stay in the same window, so I'm going to hit post. See, these are very useful when you want to do multiple windows so that you can go back to the original post and pull out quotes. But I'm going to hit post. There we go. And now I'm on the post page. Well, the first thing I do, and I'm going to use the button, although usually I use the shortcuts, is here's my response with a link. Okay, and I can see in the help, oops, I can't show it to you, but see the help, just right down here is the help, and when I mouse over it, you'll see it says URL equals response, blah, blah, blah. So when I click that, okay, all I have to do is put my cursor right here. Oh, I need to put comply in there. Yep. Okay, we'll get there. I'll go fix it. Well, as soon as I get done, it's going to look like this. What you do is you click on that, and then you paste. Now I've got a link to the post that I just needed to. Now, here's another comply, and I need to say who I was responding to. So it could be topic, it could be Andrew Wilcox, it could be Alex, who knows. And if there's no ambiguity, you could use a short name, just like Andrew. That makes it clear. So in this case, we'll say I was responding to the topic. Okay, that's easy. Anyone can do that. You don't have to know how it works. It's just a matter of knowing where to copy and paste. It's very, very, very easy. There are other places you might need that link. If you have a situation where you have a comply, it's exactly the same thing. And I also, as soon as I'm done, I'm going to go put comply in there. I would just highlight that and paste. Anyone can do that. That is simple. Super simple. I can't make it any easier. That is as easy as it can possibly be. Okay, so I think we're done. I'm not going to actually send that post. And if you have any questions, please don't ask. No, I'm teasing. I'm teasing. We want all questions that are relevant, but the questions should demonstrate that you've actually watched this video a few times and actually understood and aren't just asking us to repeat the video yet again. Okay? Thank you for your understanding.